Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the chrisvossshow.com. Hey, coming here with another great product. This is from Wagan Tech. You can go to Wagan.com to check these out. These guys make an extraordinary amount of interesting products that can help you in a variety of different ways, so be sure to check out their website. This is their iOnBoost V8 torque. This thing is pretty cool. We got a chance to test this baby out, and oh my gosh, for emergency situations, battery jumping when you least think you're going to need it, and man, when you usually need it, you need it. And the worst thing you can do is not have cables, or better yet, someone to jump you. And this makes it much more safer for you. This thing will take and it's got smart jumper cables that plug into the unit. It's all designed so that you can't backwards polarity it and blow up your battery and stuff like that. It plugs in very nicely. It lets you know if everything's hooked up as well, gives you alert alarms, etc. With a red light or audible tone alerts to let you know whether it's set up correctly or not. So that makes it really good that you can basically be foolproof. So what can you say? It's got an 800 amp peak jump starter. This is great for 6.0 liter V8 engines or 4.5 liter diesels. It's got 2 USB power ports, an LED flashlight, smart cables, QC 3.0 charging, a storage case that's included so you can keep it nicely in your car and you don't have these cables and this little unit bopping around in your trunk. Stays in a nice, cute little thing, and it's certified CE ROHS FCC. I was really impressed with it. It's basically, you can use this for emergencies. You've got the light there. You can charge your phone in an emergency. Let's say your car breaks down. You probably wouldn't be using the charger at this point to jump it. But you could use it to charge your phone in an emergency. Or if you had some sort of emergency like hurricanes, tornadoes, earthquakes, things of that nature, this might be a great way to do that, especially if you have to evacuate to your car and escape. You've got the ability to have a great emergency system here. And it does a great job. Now, I got a chance to test this out. My mother actually had left the door open in her garage, so she called me and she says, "Hey, can you come over and jump my car?" So I went over with the unit from Wagan, and her battery was like completely dead. It had been on all night. She couldn't even get. It just clicked. And you could tell this battery was dead. So we hooked it all up, plugged it all in, and voila! Within seconds, boom, she was up. Now I've tested other charging jumpers like this in the past, I got to tell you, and the amperage wasn't as good in the competing chargers, and it took we had to wait like 15 minutes for this thing to slowly juice up the battery. This thing jumped it right away, did a great job. And what's really nice is I was able to give it to her so that she could have this. So now I don't have to worry about her safety. And so if you're worried about your loved one's safety, if they're caught out on the road, they've got to start hustling strangers in a parking lot. "Hey, can you help me jump my car?" I don't think anyone will want most of our wives or young ladies doing that, or daughters, etc., or anyone for that matter. I've had to do it in the middle of the night where I went out shopping in the middle of the night in Las Vegas and then had to start begging people to I had the cables to jump my car. So I highly recommend this product. It fits beautifully in its case and easy to travel and take with you, and gives you the security of what you want, because now I don't have to worry about my mom having to be stuck in a parking lot and she's having to ask people to help her, and all those horrible scenarios you might think of. This gives great security. She can do it herself, and she's 76. So wow, this gives her a very simplistic, easy way to jumpstart her car and be safe. And if she can do it, anyone can. I super highly recommend this product. They seem to make some really good products. It really feels like a really rock solid product, and I was impressed by it. Go to their website at Wagan Tech. And you can go to wagantech.com. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.